Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for CapCut, where I'm going to show you a few settings that you can change in order to improve performance and reduce lags while you are editing. So let's get started. When you open up the CapCut window and start your new project or open up any of your old ones, you will find the menu button at the top left corner. Go ahead and click on it and then click on Settings. Now within the Settings page, click on Performance and then make sure that the first two options to speed up hardware encoding and decoding is turned on. Also make sure that render interface with GPU is turned on and also turn on the proxy option. Then scroll down and also make sure that auto render is turned on. The rest of the settings are good as they are. And now you can click on the Save button. After this, the settings that you have just chosen will be applied to your project. And that is how easy it is to speed up your performance on the CapCut editing app with just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.